Running for 30 minutes every day can have significant positive effects on your body. Here are some of the changes you might experience. Increased endurance. Regular running can increase your stamina and endurance, making it easier to complete daily tasks without feeling fatigue. Weight loss. Running is an effective way to burn calories, and it can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Running for 30 minutes a day can burn approximately 300 to 500 calories depending on your weight and running speed. Stronger muscles and bones. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that can help increase bone density and build muscle mass, particularly in the legs and core. This can help prevent osteoporosis and improve overall strength. Improved mental health. Running releases endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that can improve your mood and reduce stress and anxiety levels. Running can also help increase self-esteem and confidence. Better sleep. Running can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It can also improve the quality of your sleep by promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise, including running, has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and some forms of cancer. Increased immune function. Moderate exercise, such as running for 30 minutes a day, has been shown to boost immune function, which can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. In conclusion, running for 30 minutes every day can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental health. It is important to remember that everyone's body is different, and it is essential to start slowly and gradually increase your running intensity to avoid injury. Additionally, it is always best to consult with your doctor or a qualified fitness professional before starting a new exercise routine. Regular running can help increase your endurance, allowing you to perform daily tasks with greater ease and less fatigue. Endurance is the ability of your body to sustain physical activity for an extended period, and running is an effective way to improve your endurance. As you run more often and for longer distances, your body becomes more efficient at using oxygen and energy, and your endurance improves. This can translate to feeling less tired and more energetic throughout the day, which can lead to a better overall quality of life. Running is an effective way to burn calories and can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. Running for 30 minutes every day can burn approximately 300 to 500 calories depending on your weight and running speed. Over time, if you consistently run for 30 minutes every day and maintain a healthy diet, you may see a reduction in body fat and a decrease in your overall weight. However, it's important to remember that weight loss is a complex process that involves various factors such as diet, genetics, and lifestyle habits. Running alone may not guarantee weight loss, but it can be an effective tool when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits. Improved mental health. Running releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress and anxiety levels. Additionally, running can also help build stronger muscles and bones, particularly in the legs and core. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it puts stress on your bones and muscles, stimulating them to grow stronger and denser over time. This can help prevent osteoporosis and improve overall strength. In terms of mental health, running is also an effective way to improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety levels. Endorphins, which are chemicals produced by the body during exercise, can produce a natural feeling of euphoria and happiness, which can help combat symptoms of depression and anxiety. Running can also be a form of meditation, helping you clear your mind and focus on the present moment, which can help reduce stress and improve overall mental well-being. Running has been shown to release endorphins, which are chemicals produced by the body that can produce a natural feeling of euphoria and happiness. Endorphins can also act as natural painkillers, reducing discomfort and improving overall mood. Regular running has been linked to improved mental health outcomes, including reduced symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. Running can also be a form of meditation, allowing you to clear your mind and focus on the present moment, which can help reduce stress and improve overall mental well-being. Additionally, running can provide a sense of accomplishment and boost self-esteem and confidence, leading to an overall improvement in mental health. Running can help improve the quality of your sleep by promoting deeper and more restful sleep. Studies have shown that regular exercise, including running, can improve sleep patterns, help you fall asleep faster, and stay asleep longer. Running can also help regulate the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, known as the circadian rhythm, which can help you feel more alert and energized during the day and more relaxed and restful at night. Additionally, running can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can interfere with sleep, leading to better sleep quality overall. However, it's important to note that running too close to bedtime may have the opposite effect and may make it harder to fall asleep, so it's best to schedule your runs earlier in the day if possible. Regular exercise, including running, has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and some forms of cancer. Running can help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance, which can lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, running can help control weight and reduce body fat, which can lower the risk of obesity, a known risk factor for many chronic diseases. Running can also help improve cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. Finally, some studies have suggested that regular exercise, including running, may lower the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, colon, and lung cancer. However, it's important to note that running alone may not be enough to prevent or treat chronic diseases, and a healthy diet and lifestyle habits are also important factors in reducing the risk of these conditions. Moderate exercise, including running for 30 minutes a day, has been shown to boost immune function, which can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Regular exercise can help increase the production of antibodies and white blood cells, which are important components of the immune system that help protect the body against harmful pathogens. Additionally, exercise can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can also improve immune function. However, it's important to note that excessive exercise or overtraining can actually have the opposite effect and suppress immune function, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. So, it's important to maintain a moderate exercise routine and allow your body time to rest and recover between workouts. In conclusion, running for 30 minutes every day can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental health. As with any new exercise routine, it is important to start slowly and gradually increase your intensity to avoid injury. If you have any concerns about starting a running routine, it is always best to consult with your doctor or a qualified fitness professional.